1.
Open your trait and Pixified Whim Keeper.
Find that in the description.
#gen. Make a aspiration tuning ID. Whim reason. Whim tuning ID. Fluff description. Situation tuning ID. Instance display name. Display tooltip. Icon. Action tuning ID. And a buff tuning ID.
2.
Extract tuning 28154. Aspiration. Add to package. Aspiration. Update whim reason. Remove excess whims. Select one. Copy ID. Extract it. Data. Update tuning name. Whim tuning. Update tuning ID. Update fluff description. Extract goal ID. Situation tuning. Icon copy. Game file cruiser. In instance paste. All. Filter. Add to package. DST image. Export. Update. Import. Data. In instance, update icon. Situation tuning. Update icon. Display name and display tooltip. Remove or keep pre-tests. Update score. Goal loot list. Copy second one. Extract it. To locate other affordances, open lot 51. EA tuning. Import 28170. Select affordance. Grab related tuning. Copy. Back in Sims 4 Studio, paste. Data. Update tuning ID. Action tuning. Update tuning ID. Buff type ID. Copy. Extract it. Buff tuning. Update duration if you wanna. Icon and mood type. Data. Update tuning name. Copy name. Copy instance. Sim data. Paste name. Paste instance. Update icon and mood too.
3.
Action tuning. Local tunings. In buff type, paste your buff want gained. Situation tuning. In goal loot, paste your goal loot want. Whim tuning. In goal, paste your whim tuning. Aspiration tuning. In whim, paste your want tuning. Trait tuning. In whim set, paste your whim set. String table. Edit items. Add. Whim reason. Fluff description. Instance display name. And instance display tooltip. Done! Huzzah! Time for a nap ourselves, I think.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.